Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could reset your Windows virtual memory. This method will work with you if you are using Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. First of all, click on the search tab and type View Advanced System Settings. Once you see this little window or this little icon, click on it to open. Wait until this window appears for you. And as a next step, under Performance, so make sure that you are in Advanced and click on Performance. And here you have this little settings button, just click on it. As a next step, we're going to click on Advanced. And here you have Virtual Memory. A paging file is an area on the hard disk, blah, blah, blah. Just click on Change. As a next step, you want to untick Automatically Manage Paging Files. And here you want to select Customize Size. Here, total paging file size for all drives, you have a minimum allowed of 16 mega and recommended 1 giga and currently allocated 3 giga. This is for my case. The numbers might be different in your case. What we are going to do, we are just going to enter or to reallocate the recommended size as initial size. And for maximum size, we're going to allocate a value between recommended and currently allocated. In this case, 1 giga 900 as recommended, 3 giga 500 as currently allocated. So I can choose 2500. That should be a good number. As a next step, you want to click on Set. And you want to click Apply and OK. And again, here you want to click again Apply. The option will be available for you. And you want again to click OK. You'll be prompted to restart your computer. You can save your work, restart your computer, and your changes has been done for your computer. This was the way how you can reset your virtual memory and reallocate new size for it. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.